So as a quick review, here are the steps to get your Etsy store running. This is also available in the download below. If you want to just sell digital products, you can do that directly in Etsy. However, if you want to make custom products and sell them, use Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create custom products. You design the items, and Printify handles production and shipping. It's a fantastic way to expand your product range effortlessly. In fact, I've never touched most of the products I sell.
This is Printify, and it's a really amazing drop shipping program that integrates really seamlessly with your Etsy store. The really cool thing is that they have a catalog here with all sorts of products. I mean, you could create everything from men and women's and kids' clothing to custom coffee, phone cases, water bottles, pretty much whatever you can think of. And all you do is just select whatever it is that you want to create. And then you let's do something more fun. How about this dog t-shirt? And so you just basically need to look at how much it's going to cost. So it's about $20 and $5 of shipping. So this would cost you about $26. And so once you make it, you just want to price it above $26, and whatever you are profiting on that is yours to keep. And then you can sign up for Printify Premium, where you pay an annual subscription and you get lower cost items. And it's actually really worth it. I've been a premium subscriber for over a year now. So all you do is you just select the product and hit start designing. They're giving you some instructions here, which is always nice. And basically I would go to Canva and I would go and type in home. You can see all of our great Jam AI stuff. We could say like dog shirt. And it'll give you a template for pretty much anything in here. And then even if it's not exactly correct, it'll fit anyways. So let's go ahead and select this one. See if they have like I'll hit toddler, so it's just a better size print area. And again, we're not creating the shirt in Canva, we're just creating the design in Canva. So let's just change this to 24. And let's say we love dogs every day. Dog lovers community. Sure, why not? So this, if you hit continue down there, it actually wants you to order the shirt. And you don't want to do that. So all you want to do is download and save your print. And you can see here that it says like best for whatever it is you're doing. I always like to save these as a PDF. And I'll hit CMYK for professional printing and dog lovers t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then I'll go back here and I'm going to go to upload from my device. And it's not quite ready yet. If that was ready, I would grab it. But here I have a bunch of these. We can make how about a Stasi Pinot Grigio shirt? I'm not really sure what I did to you, but I'll take a Pinot Grigio on a dog. It's actually really funny. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. And then it gives you like a little mock-up that you can see, and you could move your art anywhere you want. You could also choose what color you want. I'm not gonna choose black because my words are in black, so they won't really show up. And then this is where you would create the description. So I like to take all of this information and then throw it into ChatGPT and say in the prompt, act as a professional Etsy seller and come up with a product description for a pet tank top. Here's the description of the product. and the design has Stassi from Vanderpump Rules saying, I don't know what I did to you, but I'd like you to get me a Pinot Grigio. So that's where you do all that. And then most importantly, this is where you would select your price. And the cool thing is that it actually shows you what they think you should price it at, and it shows you the profit per product. And you can really easily change that. You can edit that to 20, like say you think that's too much. Or you can edit the price, say you don't like having $29.21, you can do $29.99, and it'll change the profit margin. And then all you do is you can hit publish, and it'll actually show up on your store. So it'll go all the way to my Etsy store. It's publishing right now, but it takes just a couple minutes, and then it'll be on my Etsy store where I can run ads, share the link, etc. So that's how you create a product in Printify and have it connect to your store.
With little effort, my Etsy store made $500 last month. Imagine if you had 3 or 4 of these stores running. With Printify, you can adopt a set it and forget it approach. Once your products are listed and integrated with Etsy, Printify takes care of the rest. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business without the hassle of managing inventory or fulfillment. By leveraging Printify's print-on-demand services, you can scale your business efficiently and maximize your earnings potential. That's it for now. See you in the club.